I created a blank first floor. It's not blank, but a 4 wall. And then the second floor, I made the ceiling height 6 inches tall and took out the ceiling. This is basically a parapet roof kind of a situation. Also, you would take the top floor. Well, I guess this is unnecessary. I was going to go over here to the materials tab. I'll go ahead and do it anyway. And change the floor finish from this to something that's more applicable looking. Let's see, other landscape. There's asphalt. You know, like some kind of impervious roofing. Okay. Now, what I was suggesting that you do, if you want to show a slant, if you want to slant like in your picture, it looks like a slant from left to right. So I'm going to take a roof plane. I'm going to draw it inside the parapet. And we don't need any overhang. Put it inside the parapet. See, I'm not bothering the parapet walls. It's all inside. Of course, that's too steep. We don't need a gutter on it. So I'm going to go over here and turn the gutter off. Oh, there we go. We'll change the materials to that asphalt stuff. Excuse me. Let's see. Oh yeah, roof surface. And this one, oops, that one is roof surface. We'll change that to asphalt. Now, I'm also going to go over to the structure tab, and I'm going to make this, I don't need this all thick, so I'm going to make it 1/16 on the framing. Make the fascia. So it basically the roof plane is all 1/16. I don't need that. Oops. Okay. Now the last thing is over here on the pitch. I'm gonna make this pitch like I suggested you in my post, 1/16. Okay, that's it came in above. So I'm going to click on this and drop it. I'm going to move it down 6 inches -6. We do it in millimeters. I'm just not a metric person. And so now it's the high points over here, low points over here. Let's look at it as an elevation camera. Okay, so there's that roof plane there. I just noticed there's the base mold in that room. Let me get rid of the base mold. I forgot about that. It's over here under moldings. Uncheck that. Delete the base molding. Now, here I'm going to measure from here to here. It's 11 inches. So click on that roof plane and I'm going to drop it another 11 inches. And there you have it. You can put some downspouts back on this end. There's your high end, there's your low end. See, 1/16 and 12 is pretty not very steep. We could take it up to 1/4 12. A little bit steeper, or 1/2 inch 12. At some point, it's going to top the, be too tall over here. Yeah, 1/2 inch over that distance in my model. It's a little bit too steep. So make it 3/8. It's just whatever, however you want to do it. Now, the way I would do it is not what you were showing me, but I thought I'd go ahead and do that. I would put a series of hip roofs in here, so it all drains from the center to the edges. But that's up to you. So you can take this, make it into a triangle, and then I'm going to make a copy. Where's the edit tool? Oh, it's over here. We'll make a copy of that and reflect the copy horizontally. We'll put that copy over here. It's basically the same thing, only this design drains from the center to the edges. Copy this and rotate it. Curses. I don't know why is it doing that. I'll rotate it some more. See, the trick on a parapet roof is just keep that roof plane edge to the inside. I gotta rotate that a little more. Let me click on this one and go to the selected line. Where's the angle on it? I wanted it 0.0. For this demonstration, I'm not terribly interested in making this perfect. I'm going to, again, copy this and reflect it vertically. And now, this is the way I commonly do them. But, you know, it's your project. You can do it the way you want to. Join rows to join these edges. Yeah, it looks like I'm going to have a center ridge based on the geometry of this building. Almost done. And then we'll take this, break it, and then join the ridge. This is how I would commonly do it, but now, you know, such things vary from place to place. Now, it's still going to, rain's going to run off to the side with this way. Whether you do a shed roof inside a parapet or a hip roof inside a parapet, you get the same result. It just depends on how you want to handle the water. Nothing wrong with the way that you were thinking about doing it either. I don't commonly do it that way. Okay, that's it. I hope this helps you. And whether it does or not, well, make it a great day. Thank you.